welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, welcome to my channel, and we are doing a Kroger must-do deals video. However, this is actually part 2 because we have more must-do deals. So if you have not seen my video from Wednesday the 15th of June, go check that out. I'm actually not repeating a single deal in this video. These are all brand new must-do deals that you definitely do not want to miss. But go check out that other video if you haven't seen that at the end of this video, so that way you are able to see all of the amazing deals that are happening at Kroger, and there are a lot of them happening. We have a brand new mega sale happening with the buy 5 or more, save $1 each, and I have a new freebie and moneymaker for you in this particular video. So before we get going, make sure you hit subscribe. If you like Kroger videos, if you like to shop at Kroger and save money, as we all know we need to save money with this growing inflation, you definitely want to be subscribed to my channel so that way you don't miss any of these amazing deals that are happening. All right, so let's jump right on in and see what is going on at Kroger. So first, we're going to start out with some mega sale deals. So basically, if you are new to Kroger, you're new to couponing at Kroger, basically what this sale is, you have to buy 5 or more participating items. And once you hit 5 items, $1 per item comes off. After you hit 5, it doesn't matter if you buy 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 123, it doesn't matter, $1 per item comes off of each item. The thing you can also then pair with these mega sale items is you can pair a digital coupons, store or manufacturer, insert coupons, store or manufacturer. You can also pair any kind of rebate apps. You have really amazing deals that happen through this. So we're going to check out a couple of new Kroger mega sale deals for you. So let's jump right into that. First freebie and moneymaker we have is the Zen Water 1 liters. Grab 2 of them. They're regularly priced $1.99. They're on sale for $1.67 each, and they're part of the mega sale for just 67 cents each, which is a really great deal right there. So out of pocket, when you grab 2 of them, you're going to pay $1.34. Now remember, again, if you're new to Mega, that's 2 of the 5 items. You're going to have to mix and match to get to that 5 items. So find 3 more participating items to add to your cart. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 2. It's a limit of 1 time. And then Kroger Cashback also has $1 back on 2, limit of 1 time. Final cost completely free, and a 60-cent moneymaker for both bottles of water. Of course, that's like 33 cents each per bottle that you're making money on. Really awesome deal here. Next deal I have for you is the Dove Men & Care Body Wash. These are regularly priced $6.79. They're on sale for $5.49, mega sale for $4.49 each. Then we have a 2-off-1 coupon and save $6.5. Out of pocket, pay $2.49. And then you could submit to Fetch for 2,000 points, which is basically just $2, up to 5 times. Final cost for this, 49 cents, which is a really great price on some body wash. So definitely want to grab this deal. Okay guys, so this deal, this is just a reminder, the fudge strip cookies that are going on. I said I wasn't repeating myself. I kind of am because it's setting it up for the next deal. So I apologize. I kind of lied at the beginning. I didn't mean to. These are regularly priced $3.29, on sale for $2.99, mega sale for $1.99. You'd pay that out of pocket. Well, we do have an Ibotta rebate for 25 cents back on 1, limit of 5 times, making it $1.74. But if you can find the celebration cake cookies that look like the picture below, these should also be on mega sale as far as I can tell. I have not been able to find them, at least online. They may actually be in store, they're just not online. And I went to a couple of different area codes. I went to some Texas area codes and some other things that have Kroger's, and I could not find them anywhere online. So I'm just not sure if they're just in store and they're not showing up online. So they should be a part of this mega sale for on sale for $2.99, mega sale for $1.99. Again, this is a maybe deal if you can find it. If you have this verified for me, please leave a comment below. But there is $1 back from Ibotta, which is a brand new rebate out, plus Kroger Cashback has 25 cents back, which is also a brand new rebate. So you could be grabbing these for just 74 cents each. Like I said, I haven't been able to find these online. That doesn't mean they're not sitting in store. They're just not showing up online. If you verify this, please let me know in the comments below. If I get to the store and can verify it, I'll put it in the comments below and pin it. Next, we have the Blue Bunny Twist Cones. These are regularly priced $6.49. They're on sale for $5.99, mega sale for $4.99. Pay that out of pocket, but then Ibotta has a rebate for $1.50 back on one, limit of 5 times. Final cost is $3.49. Now, I had an interesting comment yesterday in my video, and it was from Couponing with Jazz, and she said that Blue Bunny loaded cones and bars are on Mega for $2.99 each, Ibotta for $1.25 back on each. Well, I looked at Blue Bunny in Ibotta, and this is the only thing I had was the twist cones. So if you happen to have the loaded cones and bars, you might be able to get an even better deal on this. It looks like it would be $1.74 each after Ibotta rebate. So double check your Ibotta and see if that's available to you. Like I said, this is the only thing I had available to me. That doesn't mean that we don't get different rebates, or possibly the rebate was available yesterday and it was gone. I don't remember seeing it at all as a deal yesterday when I was doing all my videos, but I could totally have missed it. Either way, double check with Couponing with Jazz's deal with the loaded cones and bars and see if you have that deal, because that deal is really, really sweet. But if not, we do have a deal on the twist cones. All right, guys, that's all I have for the mega sale deals, but let's check out a couple of Kroger deals that are happening in store. Now, basically, these are just coupon deals or matchup deals for you. You do not have to buy the minimum of 5 and mix and match and all that kind of thing. So they're not mega sale deals, but they're just Kroger sales with some other options for you. So let's check these out. First, we have the Hostess Crispy Mini Wafer Snacks. Now, these are regularly priced $3.49. We do not have a sale price on this one, so you do have to pay that out of pocket. But Ibotta has a rebate for 75 cents back on one, limit of 5 times. And Kroger Cashback also has a rebate for 75 cents back on one, limit of 5 times. So you're basically going to get $1.50 back per bag. Final cost is going to be $1.99 each. And like always, be sure to save that receipt until your Kroger Cashback comes through, because if it does not come through, you need to make sure you can call customer service and take care of that. I know there's been some problems going on with Kroger Cashback coming back to you. So just beware of that. Save that receipt so you can make sure you get that money back. Next, we have the Frutella Soft Gummies. Now, they're regularly priced $2.49. Pay that out of pocket. But Shopkick has a deal where you're going to get 525 kicks back. Now, 25 kicks to scan, so make sure you do scan that product in store. And then 500 kicks for purchasing, which is basically $2. But the final cost will then just be 39 cents for a bag of these. And I thought that was a pretty sweet deal. Next, we have the Quest Minis Protein Bars, 14 count. Now, these must be a huge box because they're $19.99. That's expensive. Out of pocket, you will have to pay that. Yikes. But you can submit to Ibotta for $3.50 back on one, limit of 5 times. And Kroger Cashback also has $2.50 back on one, limit of 5 times. So you're getting $6 back, which is great. Final cost $13.99, which is absolutely amazing. You're looking at about $1 per bar at that point. And I will tell you, Quest bars in general are kind of pricey. So that's not a terrible price to have it for about $1 each. All right, next we have the So Delicious dairy-free cheese. You can grab the American cheese or you can grab the shredded cheese. Grab 2 of them. So you can mix and match them, or you can grab 2 shredded cheeses or 2 American cheeses, however you want to do this. They're regularly priced $4.79. You do have a large out-of-pocket of $9.58. However, Ibotta has a rebate for $4.79 back on 2. It's a limit of 1 time. Final cost is going to be $4.79 total, or basically $2.40 each. Now, one thing to like as a reminder, because this is such a high out-of-pocket, make sure you have the 2 times the fuel points digital coupon loaded and shop on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. And you're going to, for that basically $10, instead of getting 10 points towards fuel, you're going to get 20 points. So you're going to get double the fuel points, which is really, really good, as we're all trying to save money at Kroger, or on gas, I should say. So that's an extra little bit of savings there. So the high out-of-pockets can benefit you in the long run. Next, we have the Splendid Monk Fruit Granulated Sweetener. It's regularly priced $10.99. It's on sale for $8.99 each. We have a 4-off-2 coupon and save for $10. I don't have this available to actually look at it, so double check that coupon to make sure that it does include the monk fruit specifically, but it is for Splenda. Out of pocket, pays $6.99 each. then you can submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back on one. It's a limit of 4 times, so when you grab 2 of them, it'll be $5 total back there. But the final cost is going to be $4.49 each, which is a great price when this is regularly priced $11. So you're going to under 5. That's a great deal. Next, we have the Boost. I have 2 different scenarios for you this week. So buy 2 of the Boost nutritional drinks, 6 counts. These are regularly priced $9.49. Use the 5 off 2 from Save 5 1. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $6.99 each. So that's roughly going to be about $14. Submit to Ibotta for 2 back on one, limit of 3 times. And then there is an Ibotta rebate for any brand nutrition shake that connects to these, 10 cents back on that. It's a limit of 1 time. Final cost is going to be $4.94 each, or basically that works out to be about 82 cents per bottle, which is a nice price there on those. All right, now if you're wanting to buy a bigger pack of them, you can. It is going to be a little bit more expensive per bottle, but you grab 2 of the Boost nutritional drinks that are the 12 count. Now these are regularly priced $18.99. You can use that same 5 off 2 from Save 5 1. Out of pocket, pay $16.49. Submit to Ibotta for 3 back on one. It's a limit of 2 times. Submit to Ibotta for that 10 cents back on one, limit of 1 time. Obviously, if you end up doing all of these deals, you're only going to get that 10 cent back 1 time. But final cost would cost about $13.44 each, and that would equal to be about $1.12 per bottle. So again, it just depends. If you drink these all the time, you may want to do all of the deals here, so that way you can just have them loaded up for a decent price. But either way, if you just want a few of them, the smaller version would be a little bit cheaper per bottle. All right, so we do have a deal on Suave deodorant. I kind of wish we had a sale price or a coupon to go with it, but we don't. So Suave deodorant, the 2.6 ounce. Be careful, there are dollar deodorants. I think they're dollar. They may have gone up in price, but they're not the right size. So you do want to look for the $2.49 one. Out of pocket, that's what you'll pay, but we do have an Ibotta rebate for 50 cents back on one, limit of 5 times. Final cost is going to be $1.99 each. Now this is a brand new rebate in Ibotta. So you could probably wait and see if we get like a Unilever insert or something like that where we get Suave coupons, and we might get a Suave coupon on deodorant and pair those together. So if you're not in need, I would sit back and wait a little bit and see when we get our Unilever insert what we're going to get. All right, guys, so I did not have this Kroger cashback when we had this as a weekly digital coupon, and I just got it in today. So Thursdays are when the Kroger cashbacks kind of load up or reload. And I know some of you had this Kroger cashback last week when we actually had the weekly digital. So anyway, the Zen Water 6 count, you can do this deal this week. Last week, I think it was $1.99 with the weekly digital. This week, it is not that cheap, unfortunately, but it's still a pretty decent deal. These are regularly priced $10.99. They're on sale for $9.99. Pay that out of pocket, but then you can submit to Ibotta for 3 back on one, which is a limit of 2 times, or submit to Kroger Cashback for 3 back on one, a limit of 2 times. But final cost would be $3.99 each, which is a much better price than paying $10.99. So a decent deal, not quite as good as what we had the previous week, but still a great deal. All right, so there is a great deal here on this Mommy's Bliss Gripe Water. Now, if you're not familiar with this, or if you're not a mom or whatever, gripe water is, I ended up buying it for my kid, well, my youngest one. I don't remember ever even knowing about this with my older two, but I did grab some, especially with teething. It's supposed to help out a little bit. And then, like, as you can see in the picture there, it does say colic and gas relief too. So I guess it just depends on your product. But regularly priced $12.99, on sale for $9.50 this week. There is a 2-off-1 printable coupon from coupons.com. I will link that in the description box below. And then if you don't have that, there is a 2 back on 1 from coupons.com app. So you can pay the full $9.50 out of pocket and then submit to coupons.com app too. Out of pocket, pay $7.50. Then you can submit to Ibotta for $1.75 back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times. So your final costs for these are just $2.99. So you're going from $13 to basically $3. It's a really great deal. Saving of $10, that's amazing. Okay guys, that's all I have for you with this quick updated deals video, or I should say more. I'm not updating the deals, I'm giving you more deals here. If you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, share this with a friend, follow me on social media, check out the description box below for all of the things you might need, printable coupons, all those good things. Have a wonderful week and I'll see you later. Bye guys.